Hi learners, so for this lesson you are going to need a couple of objects. You are going to need a dry erase board. Yours might look like this, it might look different, and that's okay. You're going to need a dry erase marker, something to erase with, whether that's an old sock, a tissue, I've got paper towels. You're going to need a pencil, Play-Doh, crayons, and your draw and write journal. That looks like this, and it should have your name on it. So we can put everything to the side for right now, but I want you to grab those things. Your dry erase board and marker and something to erase with, your pencil, crayons, and your draw and write journal, and your Play-Doh. So this week, our letter of the week is the letter M. M says as in monkey. We can see capital and lowercase m right there. I have lowercase m here, and if I flip this over, I have my capital M. So first, we are going to get out our dry erase boards, and we are going to write our letter M a couple of times. First, let's practice capital M. So on my dry erase board, I'm going to write capital M. Tall man down, diagonal in, tall man down. Let's write 5 M's and then we'll erase. So I already have one. Remember, we always go from the top to the bottom. Always go from the top to the bottom. 2 more. Down, top to bottom. 1 more. And the beautiful thing about a dry erase marker is it just erases. So if you make a mistake, guess what? You can just turn around and erase it. After you wrote 5 capital M's, for M says as in monkey, let's erase. My paper towel didn't do a very good job of erasing. I'm going to have to clean that when I'm done. Now I'm going to practice tracing my lowercase m's. Lowercase m doesn't go up here. Nope. Lowercase m is a short man with 1, 2 humps. Short man, 1, 2 humps. Short man, 1, 2 humps. 2 more. Short man, 1, 2 humps, and short man, 1, 2 humps. Lowercase m, M says as in monkey. I'm going to erase again, and we are going to be all done with our dry erase boards for now. If you want to practice writing your capital and lowercase m, you can continue to do that. But now we're going to get out our Play-Doh. Your Play-Doh might be a different color than mine, and that is okay. Mine is red here. And we are going to make a lowercase m with our Play-Doh. So I'm going to roll out my Play-Doh until I get a big giant snake. And then I'm going to pinch it off like a short man there. And then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it in half. And I'm going to do 1 hump and 2 humps. See how I used my Play-Doh to make a lowercase m? That's what I want you to do with your Play-Doh, is make a lowercase m. You can make more than 1. You can make 10. I don't care how many you make, as long as you use your Play-Doh to make a lowercase m. M says as in monkey. Now let's make a capital M. So I need 4 lines that are about the same size. So I'm going to crumple it back up. And I am going to divide it in half and then half, because I need 4. And I'm going to roll each one of these out and make a snake kind of with them. There's 1. Let's do 2 now. 2. Whoops. 3. Last one, and then I can make my capital M. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join your corners by pinching. And now I have a capital M. You can make 1 capital M, you can make 5 capital M's. I don't care, as long as you use your Play-Doh to make a capital M to represent that M says as in monkey. Now we're going to be all done with our Play-Doh, so you can put that away. If you need to pause the video so you can clean up your Play-Doh, that's fine. And we are going to get out our Draw and Write journal, and we are going to flip to the next page when we see, so we should have only colored 1 page, and now we're going to open to the next page with a picture and some lines. Now you're going to get out your crayons and you are going to draw a picture of something that starts with the letter M. Let's think about some things that start with the sound. Milk, moo, moon, monkey, mustard, mustache, movie, Monday, munchkin, mildew or mold. What about microscope, Minecraft? All those kinds of things are things that you could think of and you could draw a picture of. So I'm going to draw a monkey jumping over the moon the best I can. So here's my monkey's little head and his little ears and a body. He'd have his arm. That was a really short arm. He's gonna be like a super monkey who can fly over the moon. Color your picture in nice and neat. You need to use at least 3 colors. How many colors are we using? 3. Nice and neat. Take your time. I'm gonna draw some features on my monkey here. Draw some pink in his ears. Alright, and I'm gonna draw a cape on my monkey. Like he's a super monkey. And I'm gonna draw the moon. Mine's gonna be like a crescent moon. So my sky is gonna be dark, so I'm gonna lightly color my sky. I don't want my whole thing to be so dark, but I'm gonna color my sky here. So I've used at least 3 colors. Used black, kind of pinky red and brown. So you use at least 3 colors. And I drew a monkey jumping over the moon. After you've drawn your picture, you're gonna write a sentence, and your mommy and daddy could help you. You could, mom and dad, you can draw dotted lines to make their sentence, or a highlighter and they can trace, or they can try to write it all on their own. Like you could write it to the side on a sticky note and then they write it on here. But let them come up with one sentence to describe what's going on in your picture. So mine is a monkey jumps over the moon. Make sure you put a period on there because this is a sentence. Then, after you're done with that, you're going to go back to your sentence with any color crayon that you want to and trace over any M's you see. Only the M. I see 3 M's on my page, so I went back and I traced over my M's. So, you need to draw a picture about something that starts with an M, write a sentence about it, and then you're going to take a picture of this and submit this on Canvas as your journal entry for today. Make sure to go back with a crayon and trace over any M's you see in your sentence. Have fun!